Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This video is to help you guys compare these two models here side by side. Just giving you guys some basic information about the 2022 Honda Civic compared to the 2022 Toyota Corolla sedan, all right? You guys have any questions, you want more depth detail about the Honda Civic, check out my walk-around videos. I'll be glad to show you all the cool standard features and functions from that point. Any questions, drop them down below. I'll do my best to answer you guys' questions as we're comparing these two models here, all right? Now let's go get that basic information so you guys will be in the know. All right guys, let's start from the get-go about price. What is the price ranges on these vehicles? Okay, let's throw it right up here for the Civic, then right over there for the Corolla. They're very similar, okay? Now let's also talk about how they are equipped. What are the different trim levels? Honda keeps it pretty simple with 4 options here. Your entry level is going to be the LX, the Sport, the EX, then the Touring model, all right? Now over there for the Corolla, you can be starting with the L, LE, the XLE, and then they have a whole nother series of the SE, and then it kind of just forks out in crazy different directions from there. So let's just take an extra moment so you can see of all of those 8 options there for you guys, okay? Now as you're done taking a look at that, both of these vehicles are only available in a front wheel drive option, okay? Underneath the hood for the Honda, you're gonna have a 2.0 non-turbo for the lower trim levels. The higher trim levels is going to have a 1.5 turbo VTEC with the CVT transmission. At the horsepower and torque right over there. Now over here, you're going to have a 1.8 option, then a 2.0 option right there with the CVT, and they also have it available in a 6-speed on selective trims, okay? Horsepower and torque right over there for you guys. Now as we're talking about that, let's talk about the fuel economy, okay? What is the Honda Civic's fuel economy? We'll throw it right up here. And then we'll do the same right over here for you guys, okay? For the Corolla. Now, as we're done taking a look at that, let's also talk about the interior measurements, okay? Because, you know, friends, family, pets, someone, cargo's gonna be tagging along with you. Whoever's brave enough, gotta make sure they're comfortable, okay? So what is the interior measurement? Which one's bigger? Which one of you guys can think can fit more stuff in, okay? Now gotta make sure we have enough cargo space down in the trunk. And then we got your passenger volume space. Now if you guys have any other questions, you know what to do. Drop them down below in the comments. Make sure you check out the Honda Civic before you accidentally cross off the list and regret that later, okay? See you guys at the next video.